Good morning, chickens. It's definitely been a long time no see. But I hope everyone had a good Christmas, and if you celebrate City to Hobart Day, I hope everyone had a good City to Hobart Day yesterday. Obviously we dropped off Mum because she's doing it again this year, which is really exciting. We're just not going down to Hobart to see her race, but that's okay because we'll see her when she gets back. But also, another exciting thing is another race next week. We are racing in another gift run, and it's in Newcastle, so it's nice and local, which is really, really good. Anyways, so hopefully you guys are going to come along and train this week when it's race week. Hell yeah. Get keen. We've got long runs today, which is not exciting. So what we do for long runs is we get our electrolytes. Bye. We have training this morning. I've woken up feeling quite sick actually, which is really not ideal because I did want to have a good New Year's tonight and also train really well and also race on Sunday, but can't really control that. Anyways, I'm hoping that it's just a bit of like a 24-hour thing. It started happening like really rapidly. What's the word? Really, whatever. It happened really suddenly yesterday. And like all of a sudden I got a headache and like a sore throat. But, what was I gonna say? Yeah. We also trained on Monday, which I didn't really film because just some days I just don't want to bring the camera out. I reckon we just go. I'm already late, so let's go.
Just stay tall, just step over them, I was worried about getting into it when I came back.
Very good afternoon. It is 5 p.m. and it's New Year's Day, so a very happy New Year's to everyone. I literally only got out of bed about 2 hours ago because your girl is a little bit sick. She's gotten sick and she's racing in 3 days, which is not ideal at all. But we did have a very good training session yesterday, and then we did have a little cheeky going out last night. I did catch up with some of my friends. We watched the fireworks, we had a little dance, a little boogie, lots of food, a little bit of wine, but I feel like that has not been
good for my system, and we're a bit run down today. My head is just like in so much pain, and my body, it's so like tingly, and I feel like that's signs of a cold or a flu. I don't think it's gonna get any worse than this, but I literally have no energy to do anything, and I woke up with like no, like, body battery was 0 almost. So we were gonna train flags tomorrow morning at the beach, but I think it might be a bit of a sensible decision to not. I'm also working for some reason tomorrow, so we can't even, anyways. But we will be doing a shakeout on Saturday before our race on Sunday, and I'm hoping that I will be feeling absolutely fabulous by then, because I need to redeem myself on this race. I did a 300 for the first time ever, and with the pro running, because it is handicapped and you get staggered starts, I technically only ran maybe a 276 maybe, so a 20-meter head start, and I went appalling. I was so bad. I also had a lot of fast people in my heat. I'm here to redeem myself. I'm feeling confident. My mark has been pushed up. I'm only running a 250, which I feel like I can do that, and I know what pace I need to run it at. But if I'm sick, then the whole point of trying to redeem myself is going out the window. I'm gonna now spend the rest of my evening in bed and try to rest up as much as I can. Hopefully tomorrow will be a lot better, but for now, this will be my home. Good morning, chickens. It's race day, yay! Mum and I are driving the 2.5 hours to Newcastle, and I'm very excited. I am just a bit worried because I still have a bit of a dry cough, and so I feel like I'm going to be coughing everywhere and all over people, which is not good, but I'm feeling ready. Don't know how today is going to go, but we're just going to get out there and do our best.
13 underway here in the gift. They got away pretty much showing up well from the gate. In front there at the moment is Tyler. Pollard hits the front. Pye tries to keep with her. Gemma Pollard looks the winner. Coming back strongly is Pye, but Pollard wins. Heat number 3. Everyone needs to be down in the centre place that they're running in this event. The orange colour is the Tasha Tyler in front. Followed by the black and scarlet line. The white colour black and wallet side off well with Willow. The yellow. The grey and blue is the winner of the 70 metres in the blue. They get round on the 150 metres to go.
Well, good morning, chickens. It's bad lighting, but I don't want to show you the motel we're in. I'm currently in Victoria now. It's been a while since I filmed for Newcastle, and that's because, I don't know, as soon as I finished the gift, I kind of was just in a block of working, and so I didn't film anything. But I figured I might as well put the 2 races into one video so that you can see both, and it's in the same month, so that's really exciting. But we drove down to Wangaratta yesterday. I'm just about to go for a morning walk because it's race day today. So I'm gonna do that, and then we're gonna get ready for our race. It doesn't start till 2:30, and I've got 4 runs. So I've got 2 70s, a 120, and a 300. So again, we're gonna try and redeem ourselves for the 3, because last year, I think it was dead last I came. I'm not surprised. So yeah, let's just win the morning, I guess, and we'll see you out on the track.
Tyler leads this field away from Pink. Pink it is, Stoney chasing hard there. Doosan as well looking nice. Still Tyler out in front. She leads all the way. Tyler in the black. They were lining up for the minors there, but Tyler of 16.5, they couldn't get to her. And she'll win the 5th and final heat with a restricted 70.
Jamie just won her heat.
So did Tash.
Addison just won his heat. Little bromance going on.
Just get it up the side as well.
And I just won my heat. So now we're all in the final together. Yay! Go fast track. Represent. That's
Oh my gosh, I should rename it.
fast.
I should rename it.
Thank you, Zach.
Let's go.
Away this time, Tyler leads from Russell Burns. Ponchard coming through, Ponchard going up. Ramirez starting to line up there. We've got another Ramirez. He broke. He went back half a metre, but Addison Ramirez in the white. An impressive run from him now, lining up to the final.
Guess what?
Running second in the blue, Harry zigs on up.
Don't be fooled, she came third.
Came third, but we all made the podium. And Addie, who won, after getting pulled back
Half a metre.
because you both started. Davina's gonna be so proud.
He just thought he just thought he'd give
He even said before he came up to us and he was like, if you anticipate the gun, you know the consequences.
But I flinched. Watch this. It was a name. I don't think he did because he wasn't even first out of the blocks.
Jamie, how we feel?
Feeling fab. I'm a little bit tired. I wish I won so I didn't have to do the 400.
You don't have to do the 400. You came second. I feel like that's win. First time
All of us have made a final and all of us made the podium.
and first time coming out of a heat.
They stitched you up, man. I don't think.
That's so
I don't
exciting.
think you were.
So away they go. Roberts got a good start leading the field away from Tyler, who's in second. Keely Henderson sitting the race up superbly there, as is Hallie Martin. Look at Martin. She's done enough and she'll win. Henderson gets up for second and third, goes away to Sylvie Roberts. Good racing in that final heat. Will they run on the fast?
A very good afternoon. It's now Monday. We drove back from Wangaratta yesterday and I didn't film a lot because my car decided that it doesn't want to drive properly and we had a few breakdowns, but we got back home nice and safely. But I just wanted to end the video, but I'm very proud of how all of us did and I'm so proud. I've actually ticked off one of my goals for this year, which was literally to just make it out of a heat, and I did that and I came third in a final, which wasn't even a goal of mine, but yeah, that's just like so much motivation that I can now access and continue to just go further from that. Like it's not like a huge win or anything, it's quite a small win, and like it was quite a small kind of run, given it was a restricted, like it wasn't a gift or anything, but it's still something to be very, very proud of. And yeah, anyways, thank you for watching and hopefully there will be more races to come.